Hi guys, it's time for Get Ready with me. Why is it that I always seem to feel like I have a little bitty time of a window to get dressed, but it doesn't mean that we can't do a pretty face. So hop on in and let's knock this out. So my name is Jennifer Woolsey. I'm an Avon beauty boss, and I'm excited to share some makeup tips that I use for my quick mommy makeups in the morning. So here's a few of my skincare products that I've already gone in and used. Of course, you know your morning regimen should include skincare. So cleanse your face, then treat your face. I'm treating with hyaluronic acid. And I've added in the new anti-pollution shield. And this helps shield your face from dust, pollen, smog, all that bad stuff. And then my day cream is Skin Invincible. I'm like, whoa! Skin Invincible SPF 50. And then for my eyes, because you have to treat the eyes separately because that skin's a little bit delicate, I'm doing my dark circle corrector and my depuffing eye serum. Whoa! Taking away those bags. So let's hop in and get ready. I've already primed my face with my Magic's primer. And that just sets your makeup for the day, and it helps to cover up blemishes and cracks and all that stuff that you don't want showing. And then I'm going to go in with my light tinted moisturizer, which is Magic's Tint in the fair shade. I'll just put that on my hand, use my little doohickey here, and we're just going to push it in. Beauty blender. It's called a beauty blender. Did you know that before you use a beauty blender, this thing, I wish I had it like two different ones. This thing is like tiny. And so you want to add water and squeeze it out, because if you do, then it will keep all your product from just soaking up into the sponge, and it will actually be easier to distribute it on your face. And it makes the little beauty blender a lot softer, which feels great on your face. So there's a little beauty tip for you. So what all do you guys have going on out there in the world today? We have going to be volunteering at the school a little bit today. That is probably one of my favorite blessings. I'm going to get down here on the neck a little bit too. One of my favorite blessings about being able to be a beauty boss is that I get the flexibility to work my schedule around life and kids and all that good stuff. Okay, the Magic's wand is coming out. It's like a little magic wand. And I'm just going to put that there. Yay! Gonna put a little up here in my T-zone. Gonna go right down the middle of my nose. And then we're gonna do a patch down here. And that's just to help with those oily spots. I've noticed that I'm not drinking enough water, which is not good for me. And so I am having a few more oily spots than normal. So we're gonna let it set for just a minute, and we're gonna go in and do these brows. Anyway, part of being a beauty boss is that you get to have a flexible schedule. So Tuesdays is my late day. I do coaching and mentoring with my team. I have over 400 beauty bosses that sell with me, and we have a blast. If you're interested in more information, you can go to my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey, and join us there. But we have a lot of fun, and yesterday was my late coaching day. So I do mentoring, and I do, just guiding. It's really about sisterhood and a few good brothers and having that relationship to help them, to be successful. And so I knew that this morning, I was going to be volunteering at the school. So my husband hung out with the boys last night. I think they did all the golf cart and all that kind of stuff. And I did my coaching. So it was pretty cool. And then today I get to take off and go be mommy at school. And I get to help the teacher. I'm going to make some copies and run some errands and just do that kind of good stuff. I've got a little bit of setting powder. I'm just going to set underneath here. Okay, so where I had that magic wand, now I'm going to begin to blend it in. So I let it set. They call that baking. I let it bake for a few minutes, and then I'm just going to blend where I had that extra magics. Just kind of blend it in. So I think that whenever you're looking for a career, I mean, here's what I know. As moms, we all carry so much guilt for not being able to, you know, do things with our kids, go to school and volunteer. And that was something whenever I was working in corporate America that I really struggled with. Okay, I'm going in with my translucent loose powder. I'm going to use it to blend. But, you know, mommy guilt is a real thing. And some people truly have no desire to volunteer at the school or go to parent meetings, and that's just not how they parent, and that's totally okay. I know that if you're new here, you may not know that my two boys are special needs. They're amazing little human people. They're not little. I'm the littlest one in the house now, but they're amazing people. And I love to be able to go to the school and help their teachers because they have a hard job. Not everyone can be a special education teacher. We're doing earth and rose on these cheeks here. We're just going to line that cheekbone. Whoop, whoop. Quick mommy look. And so it's a blessing for me to be able to go and to volunteer and to invest my time in their classroom. But like I said, not every parent wishes to do that, and it's okay. Do what you do. So I'm using my Mocha Latte Quad. Quads are amazing. So all these products are AVON products that I'm using, and I like to try out some different ones. My favorite quad, of course, is Chocolate Sensation, but Mocha Latte is a close second. So I'm using that number 1, that top color, and I'm covering the entire lid of my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with number 2, and I'm going to work that crease. So work it, girl, work it. Ooh, I had a little fallout. That is not normal. I must have rubbed really hard. So if you have a little fallout, just dust it off. There you go. Woo, we got that. So then I'm going to use 2 on this side and work this crease. And what you're doing is you're really just working in that crease. I like to go for like a typically smoky eye type look. I do wear glasses, so I go a little bit darker. And then I'm going to wear 3, and I'm going to blend that crease in the bottom of my lid. So, you know, I mean, and maybe I have a couple of team members on my team that they've retired from corporate America. I'm going to go back with 1, and I'm going to tame this down just a tad. I got a little wild there. So they were looking for something to do in retirement that was flexible. And then I have some that are brand new mothers that have, you know, not been able to go to the workforce because they are nursing babies. And so, like, being an Avon Beauty Boss can work for people in all different areas of life. We're going to use brown on point eyeliner because I broke my black and it's empty. So I'm waiting on a new one. It should be here soon. So we're just going to compromise with the brown on point. The coolest thing about the On Point is that it has a self-sharpener inside the lid. So all you have to do is twist it to get that sharpened edge, which I love. This isn't something that you have to get like a pencil sharpener out. I think I'm going to have to start treating the top of my eyes. They look saggy to me. Okay, we have some liner on, people. Need some music playing in the background so you don't hear my son yelling. He's dressed. He's already up. Got him up ready for school, and he is watching his iPad, waiting on his mom. Now we're going to curl these lashes. So typically with my eyeliner, I need to say this, I do black on top and brown on bottom, because with aging skin, then you want to make those eyes appear more open and more and pop. And so I normally do that darker shade on bottom and lighter shade on top, lighter shade on bottom. But like I said, so we're using Love Mascara, which has some vitamin E oil in it. Guys, I have been using my lash serum consecutively now, almost 3 weeks. And oh my gosh, the difference in the length of my lashes is amazing. That stuff, you just rub it in. I just rub it in at night before I go to bed when I'm doing my nighttime regimen. It's got this little brush on it, and you just kind of paint the top of your, like at the very top, and then I just rub it in. And oh my gosh, the difference in my lashes. I should have done one eye, not the other, so that y'all could have seen that. They are for sure sweeping my glasses now, because I wear glasses. So they are so long. They did not before touch my glasses, and now they are so long that they are certainly touching. So cool. So cool. I'm loving it. I have a friend that pays big money for lash extensions. And she was like, where do you get your extensions? I was like, girlfriend, I don't know extensions. I use lash serum. She was like, I need that. It was so funny. I was like, how much are you paying for lash extensions? And she was something like $90 a month. I was like, that is insane. This lash serum is just like $40, and it takes care, and it makes your natural lashes grow for you, so you don't have to have that stuff glued to your face. Ugh. Okay. We are going to do a lip tattoo for our lip today, and we are doing a Renegade Ruby, which is one of my favorite colors, just to give us a little pop of color on the lip. They have 2 ends. This end is like a liner. Charlie, would you get out of the shower? My dog is in the shower. I don't know what she's doing in there. She is the weirdest little dog. Okay, so we are all lined up. Now the lip tattoo on me will last about 5 to 6 hours, even through eating and drinking. This line is the filler. Just put it on like lipstick. This is really a burgundy color. My lights are not showing that today. It's a pretty color. So that is a burgundy color. So we did the mocha latte on the eyes and the Renegade Ruby on the lips. So we are all ready to go volunteer at the school. Okay, I've got to blow dry my hair real quick, but almost all ready to go volunteer at the school and make a difference for my kids. So I hope you guys make a difference today and have a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure and give us a share and a like and comment here on the page and let me know that you are here, and share it to, and like my page so that you'll get notifications every time I go live or when I share a new video. Thanks for joining me for Get Ready With Me. Y'all have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.